As promised, I'm going to come through here and show you how to create your own homemade credit block using a standard font just like Arial or Helvetica. So first, what I'm going to do is copy some of the text on this credit block here just so we have something to work with. And then I'll go up here to Edit, Copy, and let's make a new file. I'll confirm that. Let's go up here to File, New, and I'm just going to create any old size image here, just maybe like 1000 by 500, and show you how to create your own homemade credit block. So I'm going to come in here and change this to black. Then I'll select the Type tool, and I'll select white as the foreground color. I'm going to click on the image to get the cursor there, and then I'm going to come up here to Edit and Paste. And what I'm going to do is just reset this type here completely. There we go. And this is what it would look like on your computer if you just typed out using Times New Roman, and everybody's heard of Times, just a very popular font. And this is pretty long right now, but I'm going to change that in just a second. Go ahead and undo that and resize that once more. There we go. So without purchasing condensed fonts, if you would like to go ahead and try this and create a credit block using just regular standard fonts like Arial and Helvetica and those types of things, well, first of all, double click on the type layer to select the type, then just come up here to the character palette and choose Arial. Or if you don't have Arial, you can also use Helvetica. I'm going to select Arial, and what I'll do is just bring the character palette over here so we can see it. And all you have to do is to get Arial condensed is to come down right here and you'll find the horizontal scale option. Well, right now by default it's set at 100%, but if I go ahead and enter in 25, you can watch my text be condensed. Look at that. And I can just make this a little bit larger so you can see this. Look at this. But when we condense it like this, we'll need to add some more letter spacing as well, just to increase the readability just a little bit. You see that? So now what I can do is come in here, select these words like and lower those 2 points. Present, take that down 2 points, 1, 2, there we go. And directed by, I can just decrease that as well. And there you go. And that looks pretty good. So that's how we can create our own homemade credit blocks using the fonts that we already have on our computer.